Hey guys, Bryce with Trick Tools here, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about our 30C English wheel. So you may think that this looks pretty familiar, and that's because frame-wise and functionality-wise, it is pretty much identical to our 30F English wheel. So a few of the main differences here, obviously, is the color. This is done in a nice black, gloss black powder coat, whereas our 30F is done in our MetalAce blue. But functionality, these are the same machines. So they use the same anvils made of 4140 HT material, same exact 3-inch wide by 3-inch diameter. You get the number of different radiuses with it. We'll have those listed out for you. So we call this our 30C because it's our Covell signature line wheel. So Ron himself, we got together with him and he spec'd out a few things that he wanted to make this machine even better. So a few of those things include the kick wheel here at the bottom is a lower height to the ground, which makes it that much easier to be able to adjust your wheel. And then the way the rolling aspect of the machine is to be able to move it around. This machine is always on the rear casters, which makes it just a little bit easier to be able to roll around and move. So the 30F machine sits on the 3 legs, and then you have to tilt the machine onto the wheels to be able to roll it around. Still easily movable, but this machine is just that much easier because all you have to do, just like the 30F, is slide the handle out, and just with a little bit of lift, you can easily move the machine. So yeah, so functionality wise, again, like I said, everything is the exact same. You still have the quick adjustment here. Once you get your pressure set, you like it, you want to take your part out, go fit it, see how close you are, come back, you want that same exact pressure, you just raise it back up and get back to wheeling. And then you have your fine-tune adjustment knobs here to be able to get your anvil totally flat with the upper anvil, just to make sure that you're dialed in with how you're working. These anvils do have the flat spot on them, so these are flat spot anvils, which means that right here in the center of these radius anvils, there's a little bit of a flat spot machined into there. And Ron puts it best when he says that the reason for the flat spot is kind of like mowing your lawn. So if you have 10 acres and you're mowing your lawn with a 24-inch push mower, it's going to take you a really long time. So you step up to a 6-foot mowing deck and you can get the job done a little bit quicker. So that flat spot makes your contact area a little wider, which allows you to get a bigger panel done a little bit faster. So you can wheel in that aspect with these. There are optional 2-inch true radius anvils that we do have available for these machines that you can put on here to be able to do some true radius shaping as well. So check out our 30C Covell signature line wheel on our website. If you have any questions, give us a call and we'll get them answered for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.